Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create an Instagram theme page. First, select a niche you are passionate about, like vintage cars or minimalist design. This focus helps attract a dedicated audience. Research existing successful pages to understand their content and engagement strategies. Identify what makes your page unique. Perhaps it's a specific aesthetic or a fresh perspective. This foundational step is crucial for long-term success and audience connection. Next, focus on your content strategy. Maintain a consistent visual style across all your posts, using similar filters or color palettes. Curate high-quality images and videos that truly captivate your audience and align with your niche. Craft engaging captions that spark conversation, ask questions, or offer valuable insights. Aim for a posting schedule of at least 3 to 5 times per week to keep your audience engaged and growing. To grow your audience, strategically use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags on every post. Actively engage with other accounts in your chosen niche by leaving genuine comments and liking their content. This builds community and visibility. Consider collaborating with other theme pages that share a similar audience but are not direct competitors. This can introduce your page to thousands of new potential followers, expanding your reach significantly. Finally, consider how to monetize and maintain your page. Options include affiliate marketing, creating sponsored posts, or selling your own digital products like presets or guides. Consistency is key. Continue posting high-quality content and engaging with your community daily. Regularly review your Instagram insights to understand audience behavior and content performance. This data-driven approach helps refine your strategy and ensures sustained growth and profitability over time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.